Hey guys, it's Hardworking Mommy, and I'm just gonna show you a couple of things. I'm gonna do a what's in my freezer because we just did shopping, but I'm doing it now because we are probably getting a new refrigerator, so I just want to do the video now. On the door here, you can probably see some things from yesterday's grocery haul. On the door is we have these chill packets that you put in your cooler or lunch. You know, when you take your lunch with you. We have some. These are mango passion fruit Greek yogurt frozen bars. We also have strawberry Sundae Crunch. It's equivalent to the Good Humor bar. We have some vanilla or white chocolate Magnum bars. These Magnum bars are excellent, by the way. A little on the expensive side, but wow, they're delicious. These are the Golden Nugget bars. And these are like icy, slushy things. And then we have another box of the Magnum double chocolate ice cream bars. And Jemima waffles. And we have those icy things in different flavors. And then here is my homemade chicken soup that I made. And then we have some hickory smoked sausage, broccoli, Purdue ground turkey. This is this is some sirloin steak that I made, which is a leftover, which is not done right. We have some broccoli. Some more broccoli in there. We freeze bread, so we have 2 loaves. These are chicken wings. Eggnog. That is organic wheat, like Italian bread, but it's wheat. Fries. We have another thing of fries. We have this is frozen pasta, leftover pizza. We have some raviolis back there, and piacca bread. Get out of there! Sorry, the cat keeps going behind the refrigerator, and we're getting a fridge and a water heater, and it keeps going behind there. No! And in here, we have our butter, some Chinese stuff, some mayonnaise. Actually, I need to throw the mayonnaise out because there is no more. We have relish. We have this is by mayonnaise, the steakhouse. That is really good with and squeezable garlic there. That is really good on like roast beef sandwiches and stuff. And then we have the Ken's honey balsamic vinaigrette. We have vinegar, ketchup, and some other mustards, and another what do you call it? Another salad dressing. Down here we have mustard, salsa, orange juice, some creamers, sauce, ketchup again, Kraft ranch cheese, some Smucker's strawberry jelly, what do you call it? Schweppes ginger ale. On this shelf is our milk creamer, liquid egg, egg beaters, lemon juice, lime juice, Arizona, two Arizonas, and a wine cooler back there, and that bag has beer in it, and that's grapefruit juice, I guess. This is grape juice, orange juice, milk. Down here we have sauce, another grape juice, chicken, bagels, eggs. Here is some vegetables and fruit, grapes, eclairs, yogurt, butter. We have veggies. Shit. We have veggies, sweet potatoes, it looks like, or something. And more vegetables down there. And in here is the corn muffins that you saw from BJ's. A jar of minced garlic. Again, we have Laughing Cow cream cheese. We have snack cheeses there, and some more Laughing Cow back there. And that is what's, and when we have wraps, and that's what's in our refrigerator. But like I said, we are probably getting a new refrigerator. So I will be making another video about the new fridge. Alright, and bottles of water. We have lots of those. Alright guys, thank you for watching.